And obviously, as it is for Independence Day, you can use these colors only: orange, green, white, that kind of colors. And if you are making bracelet or something for other anything, no, to support any team, like any other thing, then you can make related to that. You can use color according to that only. There are total five bracelet, and I will show you one which I really like. Total five are there. And did you celebrate Friendship Day, by the way? It was on 1st August, or not? At least wishing and this and that.
हाँ
हाँ,
वो तो
वो तो सेलिब्रेट किया था. अच्छा, कैसे किया था?
हाँ ऐसे ही मतलब
मीन्स
विश
वीडियो कॉल और व्हाट? वीडियो
हाँ
मैसेज।
कॉल किया
वीडियो
था?
कॉल है ऐसा कुछ नहीं मैसेज कर दिया था और मतलब मैं जितने भी फोटोज थे ना हमारे
हाँ हाँ
ग्रुप
हाँ
के
हाँ हाँ.
मतलब सबके नहीं हमारे क्लास में से सबके नहीं जो मेरा ग्रुप है उसके जितने भी फोटोज थे उस पे मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था और वो शेयर किया था
अच्छा.
गेट
एंड
टुगेदर करना था लेकिन कुछ
हाँ हाँ
मतलब हुआ
ऑब्वियसली
नहीं
हाँ. Even
अभी भी
nowadays,
करना है
because of this, we cannot celebrate anything properly
हाँ,
like how we used to
और
celebrate everything.
हाँ और अभी गेट टुगेदर करना था लेकिन अब मुहर्रम आ गए
हाँ
तो
हाँ.
गेट टुगेदर भी नहीं होगा
Okay. And other girls, how did you celebrate that?
I
मैम
also
वैसे ही मैसेज करके।
Message. Okay. Okay.
मैम आप करते हो सेलिब्रेट
हाँ.
तो
Anyone?
आपने कैसे किया था
हाँ, that way only. Anyone by saying the thanks also. Like that. Like there are so many friends who were my childhood friends also, and even we meet uh, in college also, like some other friends.
हाँ तो
There are
मैम
so
अभी
many
आप
friends.
पढ़ते हो
That
या
way
नहीं
only,
पढ़ते
thanks and this and that. That way only, thanks and that. Right now, I said no, we cannot celebrate how we used to celebrate.
नहीं
Even I
ऐसे नहीं मतलब
remember.
आप अभी पढ़ते हो या नहीं पढ़ते
Mm, I have completed MCom and I'm planning for B.Ed.
हो
This one is like that Scooby. Means before so many years now, we used to make that
हाँ
Scooby. It's like that.
तब कितना ट्रेंड में था अब नहीं है
Then that slime or what? What was that slime? No.
हाँ और वो बेंच वाला भी
हाँ.
मैम आपका फेवरेट कौन सा
This one only. And how many girls had taken part in that marathon? When before few years there was cycle marathon also. Did you take part at that time? Before, I
मैं
guess,
तो
two
मैं
years only.
मैं तो मैराथन में पार्ट नहीं ली.
Hmm. This one is very tricky. Again and again folding.
हाँ लेकिन नहीं मैम, इसमें ऐसा लिखा है ना, जैसे ब्रेड हम बनाते हैं ना
हाँ.
वैसे करने का, तो
Hmm.
इजी है.
Even some hairstyle also.
हाँ.
I guess this was the last one. Hmm.
यस.
And cards you can make this way, and then it depends on theme, huh, that which kind of colors you will use. Do you make anything like this for anything? Like for Mother's Day, Father's Day, this day, that day,
यस.
anything?
अभी फादर्स डे गया तब तो मैम ने बोला
हाँ
था
हाँ
ना कि
हाँ.
करने
That
का
day
ही.
I checked the group. हाँ, that day I checked the group. Ruby ma'am sent so many goals activity means what you have done. But I didn't
तब ऐसे.
download everything, so I just know that you have done, but I have not seen. कार्ड मीन्स कार्ड ही बनाए थे ना तुम लोगों ने?
नहीं मैम, सबने अलग अलग किया था.
अच्छा.
और एक वीडियो भी बनाया था, उसमें सब मतलब एक्टिविटीज ले ली थी.
अच्छा, मतलब मैम ने बनाया था?
नहीं, एक स्टूडेंट ने, आई गेस राबिया मलकानी ने बनाया था.
अच्छा. Mostly I don't download anything, but I just see कि someone has sent. And other students, at least you say something. Do you do anything like this? Because mostly we celebrate so many things at home. Not days, but some other things, some which are special for us, that we at least celebrate. Then inside you can write anything. Even do you know, before few days only, in all the news channel, one news was there, only one, regarding Olympic, if you know. They were playing the same video again and again about that boy who won
कौन सी?
something, gold medal, he won something. Which game? And what is the name of that?
आई डोंट नो.
Oh, that you don't know.
ले मतलब न्यूज नहीं
That
देखती
is big
और
achievement, really. Huh? That is very big achievement because we
न्यूज़पेपर भी
won
मैं
that.
नहीं लेती।
Because we won gold medal means India after 142 years, I guess. That was the news.
ओहो, हाँ वो कुछ ऐसे नोटिफिकेशन
Neeraj,
पैनल में आया था।
Neeraj Chopra something. That is the name of that boy.
मैम इससे हिंदी के राइटिंग कितने अच्छे।
Hmm. And that is really big proud moment for us.
आप देखते हो न्यूज?
Obviously, I really like.
आई डोंट लाइक, कितना बोरिंग।
And again, I will present the screen, but first I'm finding that quiz questions. Like if you don't know the answer of that, then you can search. Huh? It's not compulsory. Okay, you have to think, and then you have to say. You can search, and then you can tell me. My screen is visible, no?
ये
So whichever answer you don't know, you can search and you can find. So first question is this one. This one is very easy. India got freedom on that one. And now not only Rabia will give answer, other students also. So who will give answer of this first one? India got freedom on means on which
मैम
date
गिनाई राबी,
or year? Yes, Rabia.
15th August 1947।
Yes, very good. Now who will give the answer of this? Like mostly we know national fruit, national bird, national animal. But I don't know how many girls know this national tree. You can search and tell me. Anyone, are you interested in knowing how other country also celebrate their particular day, no? Which are national? Do you see that how they celebrate everything? Other countries, huh? Then in different state also we celebrate Independence Day in different way. That is also very interesting. So please at least every Sunday watch some news, some interesting thing. So we'll say this, search and say.
Ma'am,
Or
can
again,
I say
yes, who?
Amreen Fatima?
Yes, somebody.
Fig tree,
Oh, what is the spelling of that?
FIG
Hmm. Okay,
double E, fig tree.
okay.
मैम गिनाई से
Yes, Rabi.
शायद बनियन ट्री।
Yes, Banyan tree. Even so many, there are so many medicinal plants, no? Which we only found and even we only invented. So what is the use of that? Like Ayurveda and that word, do you know? Ayurveda and that, if you know.
यस,
Huh. So that is invention of India only. Like we and so in so many religion also they worship and pray tree also. So there is history behind so many trees. Puri puri history है. And
मैम
Ayurveda
आपने
that is
पढ़ा
also
है?
big concept. I am interested in Ayurveda and everything about India only means history and everything means which are proud
तो
moment
आपने
for us.
कॉमर्स लिया था या साइंस?
Me, commerce, but then also I'm interested in everything.
Oh,
I said no, I watched the news also, and that before few days, no, it was breaking news for everyone. Like as soon as that result was declared, no, about that boy, he
mm,
won gold medal. So that was breaking news. And again, the same thing they were playing, like the same clip
mm.
when he threw that and that everything. You can
मैं तो
also
मैं
watch afterward. That was really proud moment for everyone.
आई डोंट वॉच न्यूज या न्यूज़पेपर या कोई ऑनलाइन भी रीड नहीं करती तो
हाँ,
मुझे कुछ पता नहीं होता.
okay. Now this one I guess everyone knows. Father of all nations.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, who?
Nurani Safia.
Yes,
Mahatma Gandhi.
yes. In higher standard, when you will learn now, like how old people used to use everything what we got, like medicinal plant, I said, Ayurveda. So I guess that will increase your knowledge also and interest also in different things. I guess right now you are not interested, but hope you will be interested in that kind of things. Okay, now next question is this. This one is only for knowledge. Huh? Okay, how many states we have, how many union territories we have.
Can I?
Yes.
28 states and 8 union territories.
Huh. Did you learn about this in social? This year,
Yes.
do you have? अच्छा.
Yes.
नहीं दिस ईयर नहीं ऐसे ही जनरल में फोरम में
हाँ.
बताया.
Okay. Even forum used to give some shortcut trick also to remember some state, like
हाँ
some
मैप
symbols and all.
मैप
हाँ,
की
हाँ, हाँ, yes. My
शॉर्टकट
sister
की.
said, she said that there is one shortcut key for this. Now this one is next. Vande Mataram is what? Our national anthem, national song, what?
So
Because there are some national symbols, if you have knowledge about that.
national song.
And do you know, and like any other students, history of that song? Who
History.
wrote? Who wrote that? Who sung that first time? Everything. क्योंकि कोई भी चीज़ें पहले लिखी जाती है ना, और फिर उसके मतलब कवर्स आते हैं, कवर सॉन्ग.
हाँ तो वो तो वंदे मातरम बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी.
ओके. Then this chess game was invented in dash means any country.
इंडिया.
You can search and confirm and tell me because right now I can feel that you are not confident.
इंडिया.
Okay. And now other question other girls will only say, not Rabia. No, Rabia don't say. And Rabia, you don't take part in any other online competition. I thought that maybe you
हाँ
are
मतलब
taking.
आई सर्च फॉर मैनी बट नहीं मिल रहा मुझे.
Okay.
वरना जब मुझे मतलब ऐसे करना होता है ना तो मैं कितना सर्च करती हूँ तो एक भी कंपटीशन नहीं मिलता.
Okay. Now who will say about this? Seven wonders of world that I guess everyone knows only. Taj Mahal and that, if you know. Right? So
Yes.
it is located in which city of India? I said you can search also. I allowed you.
मैम आप मुझे मतलब मैं अभी
No,
नहीं
no, no.
बोलूँ, फिर आप
हाँ,
मुझे पूछना हो
नहीं
तो
नहीं
पूछ लो।
नहीं. हाँ, ओके. Even though you know some foreigners also are interested in our culture, means our history and that. You actually study also. Because see how many languages we have, religions we have, so many, right? Like even we Indian only don't know about languages, cultures, religions. Then so many craft also. Like some old people, know they had talent also. They used to make so many things from stone also. स्टोन पे पता है लाइक वेयर आई गेस अहमदाबाद में ऐसा है पत्थर के ऊपर वो डिजाइन को किया हुआ आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज दैट सिद्धि सैयद झाड़ी ऐसा समथिंग कुछ है अहमदाबाद में yeah nobody knows this where Taj Mahal is located very bad
मैम आई नो।
हाँ you know but other
Ma'am,
girls
I also know.
who Amreen I guess
Yes, ma'am,
she
I searched and now I'm giving answer.
okay other girls
Ancient city of Petra and Jordan.
and especially so many foreigners no, come to visit India for that kind of things only
इसका तो सबको पता ही होना चाहिए।
hmm.
मैम शायद पता हो लेकिन आंसर नहीं दे रहे।
क्या मुझसे शर्म आ रही है
नहीं ऐसे इंडिविजुअली एक एक को पूछते हैं ना, तो ही वो लोग मतलब आंसर देते, वरना नहीं देते कितनी बार।
Oh, personal intention and personal invitation. Okay, let's start giving personal invitation. So tell me one more name. Let's give.
आयशा धोलिया।
Dolia, Aisha, please will you say if you don't know, you can search and then you can say.
Ma'am, can I say Modesa?
Yes, Modisa, Rajani Modisa, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Taj Mahal,
It is located in which city?
Agra.
हाँ
मैम ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना वो चाइना में है ना।
हाँ और उसकी भी एक हिस्ट्री है कि उसमें कुछ ऐसा था कि राजा को डर था कि मतलब दूसरे वो टाइम पे बहुत ऐसा होता था ना राजा राजा के बीच में बहुत लड़ाई होती थी तो ऐसा था
हाँ
कि ये यहाँ पे आ जाए ना इसलिए वो ना आ जाए ना इसलिए वो पूरी दीवार बनाई थी और वहीं पे वो सारे रहते थे छुपते थे जो
इतनी
जिसको
बड़ी।
भी हाँ पूरे चाइना को कवर कर सके उतनी और वो किससे कुछ बने समथिंग तो एक टाइप का राइस है उसको कुछ पिघलाते हैं उसका कुछ बनाते हैं उसको बीच में रखते हैं सीमेंट के बदले ऐसा कुछ था इतना मुझे याद नहीं अभी बहुत टाइम पहले मैंने रीड किया था उसके पीछे बहुत सारी हिस्ट्री है बहुत सारी चीज़ों के पीछे हिस्ट्री है और कोई कोई चीज़ें तो जब
जैसे कि ये
रिसर्च करने
ताज
पे पता चलती है ना कि ये है तो उसके पीछे भी कितने टाइम चले जाता है तो भी पता नहीं चलता उसका राज क्या है ये चीज़ का वो चीज़ का
हाँ,
पूरा ऐसे
ताजमहल के पीछे भी
हाँ
हिस्ट्री
हाँ
है।
हाँ यस that I guess everyone knows no? That history of Taj Mahal
यस
and even before so many years no, means old people that king and that they used to build some special place also with so many facilities means you can imagine right now which kind of how many engineers are there architecture ye wo बट वो ज़माने में इंजीनियर्स आर्किटेक्ट्स इतने नहीं थे, बट देन ऑल्सो दे डिज़ाइन दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस नो विथ दैट मेनी फैसिलिटी. यू कैन इमेजिन कि वो टाइम पे कैसे प्लान करते होंगे. Even if you will watch any movie no regarding that how we got freedom and that, तो उसमें भी जितने भी फ्रीडम फाइटर थे ना, वो लोग भी जैसे दिमाग लगाते थे ना, मतलब बचने के लिए, फिर ये करने के लिए, वो करने के लिए. दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग इफ यू नो. डू यू वॉच दैट झांसी की रानी दिस एंड दैट.
नहीं.
There are so many freedom fighters who were very brave also, and which kind of strategy and which kind of plans they were making, and foolproof plan. तो फेल इतना नहीं होता था, मोस्टली सक्सेसफुल ही होता था. हाँ, who will say this now? Our national anthem is dash.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, who?
Hamri.
नहीं, you also not, sorry.
मैम आप बोली तो
Let's
ठीक
give
है.
for हाँ, Dholi Aisha, I asked you. So if you don't want to give the answer, then tell me the reason why. Means you are not interested or what?
Ma'am, I don't know.
And speak loudly, please.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, so I allowed you know that you can search. That's why I allowed you. Even in post and you know, whenever I conduct this kind of things, no, so I allow them to search. Sometimes I show them fact and I ask them the reason behind that particular thing.
मैम आप सिर्फ ऐसे वो ही आर्टिकल्स ही रीड करते हो या कुछ और भी करते
So many things. Means I used to, now I don't have time, but then also anyhow I read. Even you know, right now we have meditation, this, that, so many classes. But old people they used to sit in that situation.
हो?
हाँ, yes. कि वहाँ पे ऐसे मेडिटेशन होता ही था, मतलब वो उसमें रहते थे.
हाँ कि
ध्यान ध्यान में आई गेस ध्यान बोलते थे उसको. नॉट
ध्यान उन्होंने
मेडिटेशन.
करा
हाँ.
और पढ़ना
हाँ.
हमको पड़ता है कि उन्होंने ये ध्यान किया ने ये ध्यान
हाँ.
से वो हुआ.
हाँ. I just don't like to remember name of the some places, then name of king. That I don't like to learn.
भाई
बस वो लर्न करना, उसका नाम जान के मैं क्या करूँ, उसने क्या किया वो मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि किसी ने क्या किया,
तो फिर देखो नाम
पर
ध्यान में
किसने किया.
नाम में क्या रखा है.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली.
व्हाट्स इन अ नेम. लेकिन है सोशल में तो सब नेम में ही है.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. And in which year also, like in this year they started, in this year they
हाँ फिर तो
started.
एडी ने
Mostly,
वो सब आता है वो क्या हमको
and
पता है.
mostly about battles. I don't like battles. I like
आई
a
ऑल्सो.
freedom that moment, but not this one.
मुझे तो ऐसे वो सब इंडिया के बारे में और ऐसे चैप्टर्स आए ना मैथ के वो सब
Yes.
पता है. मुझे हिस्ट्री जरा भी नहीं पसंद.
Exactly. I don't like battles and that. I like freedom, all the history, like how we got freedom. I like that. And there are so many serials. I don't know why you don't know. Movies also.
ऐसी मूवीज मैं नहीं देखती इसीलिए.
Oh, oh. So which movies do you like?
अ,
Horror,
वैसे
horror.
तो ना 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 हॉरर तो मैंने एक भी नहीं देखी.
Then comedy.
हाँ नहीं मतलब बहुत कॉमेडी भी नहीं और
हाँ.
ऐसे थोड़ी ये थोड़ी इमोशनल बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल नहीं ऐसे.
Okay.
क्योंकि फिर बहुत इमोशनल होती है ना तो फिर रोना आता है फिर हमको रोना
हाँ.
पड़ता है.
हाँ. That's why I don't
आपको
like
कैसी
serials.
पसंद है.
That's why I don't like serials. In serials, mostly that drama of.
हाँ मैं तो एक भी मैंने आज तक हॉरर मूवी नहीं देखी.
Hmm.
आपने देखी है.
No, no way. I don't like. I watch some short movies from YouTube, like which gives us some
वो भी
lessons.
देख ले, डर नहीं लगे फिर रात को डर लगे.
हाँ. Even post standard student, no, they said that they don't know how to search. So even when recording was not on, I even showed them okay, how to search, how to open Google, and even I told them okay, what is the use
फोर्थ
of Google.
स्टैंडर्ड में तो नहीं पता.
Few were there who were not knowing. So even I said okay, what is the use and misuse of this, and even I told them importance of knowledge. So now they are searching by themselves and they are increasing their knowledge. But it's very disappointing that you are not searching when I allowed you.
मैम चलो मैं दूसरे का नेम बोलूं.
हाँ.
भोजानी पिज्जा.
Okay. Bhuchani Pizza, do you know about this national anthem?
Nayani Zainab.
Any one of you, please give the answer. Nayani Zainab, then Bhuchani Pizza, Doli Aisha.
Naina Manda.
I have collected so many things. See, worksheets like this also I have collected. Like these are national symbols only, which few questions were given in that worksheet about few national symbols. These are also that, but it is that unscrambled word, no? You have to
Ma'am,
arrange that
can I
letters.
say?
But now I'm saying, okay, see, I have collected so many things, and I have planned also. Okay, we will finish all of this, but
No one is
very
answering.
disappointing. Yes, it's very disappointing. Even in that maths puzzle also, this I used to show no this one. In this also, I have collected so many puzzles, so many. But I don't know why you are not interested. Because in girls' class of fifth standard, mostly for the hard puzzle, I give them 2 days and mostly one day. It depends on that puzzle. If it's hard, if it's easy. So we have completed so many puzzles. And they never give up, huh, by the way. They never say, okay, we are not able to do, we will not do.
लेकिन हमारे क्लास में से तो कोई आंसर ही नहीं देता.
I don't know why. It's very bad, huh? Because when I know when you were in third, fourth, you were not like this. Now what happened? That's why on first day I
Right
said,
now
no,
also,
on
no one is like this. But स्कूल खुलते हैं ना तो सब पहले जैसे हो जाते हैं. फिर
hope.
ऑनलाइन स्टार्ट होता है ना तो
Hmm.
ऐसे.
Hmm. Okay. So will you say the reason? Majraina, then Alisha Sheikh, Dholia Aisha, then Rajani, that Modesa,